This is Acuity Form B. These are questions 15 through 19, page 3, front and back, or actually in your packet it says pages 7 and 8 of 19. Remember to answer on the strip of paper. Do not write on the questions. Question 15. The diagram shows the properties of a wave that's transferring energy. As you look at the picture, you can see that there is a double arrow at the far left of the diagram. It's going from the baseline to the top of the wave. Question 15. Which property of the wave is represented by the double arrow? Is it A, the amplitude, B, the frequency, C, the speed, or D, the wavelength? Which property of the wave is represented by the double arrow? 16. An object is at rest on a frictionless surface. It then experiences two forces as shown. So there is 6 newtons pulling to the left in the picture, then the object. Then there are 10 newtons pulling to the right in the picture. What can be predicted about the motion of the object? A. It will remain at rest. B. It will move at a constant speed. C. It will begin accelerating to the left. Or D. It will begin accelerating to the right. Question 17. A student is studying genetic inheritance in gerbils. He conducts several experiments and records his observations. If both of the parent gerbils have brown fur, which of these observations would best suggest that brown fur is a dominant trait and black fur is a recessive one? A. All of the offspring have black fur. B. About half of the offspring have black fur. C. More than 1/2 of the offspring have black fur. Or D. None or about 1/4 of the offspring have black fur. Which of those observations would best suggest that brown fur is dominant and black fur is recessive? Go ahead and go into the back. Turn your page now to question 18. A group of students has been studying a local marsh. One day they notice that frogs in the marsh are dying. Which of these would be the least scientific way for the students to investigate the problem to help find a solution? A. Test the marsh water for harmful chemicals. B. Examine the other animals that live in the marsh. C. Write a letter to the local newspaper about the marsh. Or D. Test the marsh water for organisms that could harm the frogs. Number 19. Table shows several ideas from students about the formation of our solar system. Idea 1. The solar system formed when an extremely large star passed close enough to the sun. Idea 2. The solar system formed from a spinning cloud of gas, with the sun forming at the center. Idea 3. Our solar system formed from a large vortex of debris and gas that created rotating stars and planets. Or 4. The solar system formed when a comet crashed into the sun, debris shot out from the sun, and formed the planets. Which idea about the formation of the solar system is best supported by scientific evidence? Idea 1, Idea 2, Idea 3, or Idea 4? This ends page 3 of Acuity. Please go on to section 4.